Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa with Crafting to Cope, and I'm on today with an online haul. So I had ordered a mystery box from Lyric Lover Crafts, and so she's on YouTube and she also has an Etsy page, and so she offered this medium flat rate box filled with fall paper crafting items. And believe it or not, all of the crafty supplies I have, I really don't have any fall themed. I have a lot of Halloween items. And so this year I really wanted to make my mom and my mother-in-law a fall themed project. And so when I saw her video on the fall themed mystery box, I was like, yes, please. Because then I don't have to go shopping and pick out fall themed things. I have them all right here. And this box is so heavy. So I am going to put this aside and we are going to go through together and see what is in this box. And I don't believe she has any more available, but I will link her because she does do mystery boxes from time to time and they're such a great deal. But I think this was $60, but again, it's so heavy. Like, it definitely has at least $60 worth of items in here. So I'm going to set this aside and we are going to start to see what is in this box. Well, actually, let me show you how packed it is. It is so packed. All right. So there seems to be some paper kits. So it looks like there is some Halloween, which I'm not upset about at all because I love Halloween. So the first thing is this Halloween Magic by Echo Park, and I do not have this kit. So it comes with 12 double-sided papers and element sticker sheet. So here is the sticker sheet. It's so cute. And then it has all of these papers up here. So that's going to be super fun. And I definitely will use any Halloween items for sure. I'm going to think of the best way to get these things out of here. And then this one is I Love Halloween. So another Echo Park collection. So again, it's the 12 by 12 papers and then this sticker sheet. So these ones match really well together. So if I really wanted to, I could use them together. But this will make a really cute little Halloween album. If I also want to share those with pictures with my mother and mother-in-law. So all of these papers. So cute. I love this one right here. Awesome. Perfect. So this is the kind of stuff I love these. Don't get me wrong. I'll never say no to Halloween, but I was really hoping to get some nice fall. So this is, again, this is from Cartabella, which I love their paper. They have the best paper. So this one is called Harvest. And so again, let's see, what does it come with? 12 by 12 double-sided paper, textured, and then an element sticker sheet. So all of these really pretty papers, sorry for the glare, up there. And then this beautiful sticker sheet. And so this is going to be perfect for the albums I need to make. And then there is some paper pads in here. So it looks like we have Autumn Dream, which this is a Craftsmith, so probably a Michael's pad. I'm going to just open it up so we can see what's in here. Oh, it has the pretty copper foiling. Let's go this way. A lot of like realistic type prints, which make for really pretty backgrounds. So pumpkins. Like, you don't have to use the whole sheet. You could just use like little corners, some wood slices with some foiling on it. Pumpkins and gourds, beautiful leaves. Like, just cutting out these make for really pretty backgrounds. Sweaters, more fall leaves. Oh, that's gorgeous just by itself. So a lot of realistic little Afghan prints, which those are pretty. Cute mushroom. In case you haven't noticed, I am so stuffy again, and I think the last time it was from the smoky air where I live coming from Canada. This time I'm convinced I just have a summer cold, so if I sound a little stuffy and I'm a little sniffly, that is why. I've been kind of fighting it for a few days and just maybe in denial a little bit, but all right. Then the next one is another Michael's pad, so Craftsmith Fall Plaid. So I love plaids. So for paper crafting, they make really pretty backgrounds. So some browns. This one has some gold foiling on it. A lot of tans and browns, more gold foiling. This is kind of a green tone. So these are really pretty. And these will be good just in everyday crafting too. That would be good. It's a good Halloween one, or even Christmas, I guess. So some of these would work really good in Christmas crafting. So those are pretty. All right, let's keep digging. And then a package of gift sacks. Perfect. I love to make my journals. So this will be perfect to make a fall theme bag journal. So I just posted a video about that. I'll link it below, about how to use these fun gift sacks in order to make a journal that's super easy, and they're just so much fun. So I'll link that below in case you didn't see the video and you want to check it out. All right, then we have Spice Market, so 8.5 by 11, 65-pound cardstock, and these really fun fall colors, which will go great with the fall kits that was sent. So we have kind of like a fall color: red, yellow, green, orange, and brown. So that's perfect. Then there's a Park Lane 6x8 pad. So let me get this one open. So Old World, rest in peace, Joann's. I miss Joann's so much, like a lot. I'm probably saving a little bit of money though, but I do miss going there and being able to look at paper collections and find other than store brand paper collections. You know, like Hobby Lobby and Michael's have paper, but it's all their brand, and Joann's carried, you know, different American Crafts paper. So this is really pretty paper, more gold foiling. So pretty. So yes, all of this will go so well together. So that paper pad, again called Old World, but it does have kind of a fall theme to it. This really cute trim, so it has pumpkins and acorns and leaves on it. So it is 5/8 inch, so that's perfect. It looks like, I can't tell where this was from. It looks like it was from Joann's. And there's some Paige Evans embellishments. So epoxy stickers. And it's all just really pretty leaves and doesn't show butterflies. And there's some sentiments in there. So those will be good. And then there is this Fall Fun sticker book. So let's open this. And this is from Cartabella. What was that collection called? Harvest. I'm sure these stickers will still go with it, even though it's a different collection. I kind of mix and match a lot of my stuff if the collections match. So this fun book with all of these stickers. So there's sentiments, which are going to be perfect for the albums I need to make. And then just all these adorable, I don't know the best angle to show you all of these stickers. There's little tag stickers, more sentiments, just adorable alphas, little pictures. This is going to be so great. There's still so much stuff in here. And then these pretty leaves are like almost in like a burgundy color, and these were from Hobby Lobby, so those are pretty. Those are good for layering. Oh, okay, so this is Fall Fun, and so is this pad. So this is a Cartabella 6x6 paper pad. So let's look at this. And this is double-sided. I love my double-sided paper. So looks like little lanterns and sunflowers, a couple of plaids, some really cute cut-aparts, some leaves. I love those colors. more leaves, and then these are mushrooms, some more cut aparts, green polka dots, sunflowers, and then a plaid, and then let's see, little pumpkins and a fall wreath, more cut aparts, and then a solid, and then a plaid and little leaves. Then I think it repeats. So that is adorable. I love that. And I have some of these. I picked some up at back to school time. So these are the composition notebooks. They're the half. So these are really fun to make little journals out of. And instead of, you know, a journal that's a full size, it's just this cute little half size. So these are super fun to alter. So I got 2 of those. And you know, it's funny, I'm pretty sure I just bought some of these. I think they're different shades because obviously I bought this year's, but these really cute fall flowers from Hobby Lobby. So I did pick up a few things from Hobby Lobby that I thought I could use to make these fall things. So, and then these cute cupcake picks. So I'd actually have bought cupcake picks in the past and then told people I use them as ephemera. And a lot of people reached out and said, how do you get the toothpick out without ripping it? I actually did a quick video on it, but really if you apply a little heat, so you use a hair dryer or your heating tool for crafting, and you just put a little heat on this for a second, it loosens up the glue and you can pull that stick right out, and then you can use these as adorable pieces of ephemera. So that's what I will do with those. And then there's this adorable little notepad with this really pretty gold and white striped pen. So these are cute to add into like little journals as like little note spots or little journaling spots, or you can obviously use the pad for its intended purpose, which is a notepad. And then there is a pack of Distressed Oxide sprays, so orange and yellow. And I do have some Distressed Oxide, but I do not have orange and yellow. So this is awesome. And again, perfect color combination for my fall crafting. Love it. And then we have, oh, so I got the notepad. No, what did I get? Paper pad, sticker pad, and then the fall accents for the fall fun. So this goes with this paper pad. So I love chipboard pieces. They just add some dimension and they're just so much fun. So I got the chipboard accents to go with that paper pad sticker collection. And then from the Dollar Tree, it's decorative cardstock. So it's these, all of these items are in here, and then you fussy cut them out and you can use them as ephemera in your paper crafting. So if you like to fussy cut, I usually grab those things, and when I'm like sitting down relaxing, I will use those. I just found the card, so she had written me a card, so it was at the bottom of the box. And I think I opened, it says open the side, but it must have kind of got stuffed down in there. So again, here's her sticker, Lyric Lover Crafts. Let's see what she had sent. Oh, fun. She sent a thank you. Thank you so much for your support, Amber. And then this cute little sheet of pumpkin stickers, which I can definitely use. Look at how pretty this envelope is on the inside. Like, it's so pretty and very fall themed. And then I think this is just my receipt. So super cute. So there's her thank you card. Well, thank you, Amber, because I am loving all these goodies in here. All right, so we also got the Fall Fun puffy stickers, which are going to go great with all the other items. So these cute little puffy stickers. I love this little scarecrow here. So that is going to be a good time. And we're getting down there. I'm almost done, I swear. There's so many goodies in here. And then there's the fall frames and tags from Echo Park. So it comes with all of these little goodies on the back. So many little frames and tags and little pieces of ephemera to use when I make my mom and mother-in-law that journal. And then a fun 6x6 stencil. So these stencils are so great to use with just like your, you can use paint, you can use whatever, but I usually just use my stamping ink and make pretty backgrounds. So there's that. And then the last thing is I actually was just looking at these yesterday at Hobby Lobby, and I didn't buy them. And when I got in my car, I'm like, I really should have bought them for the fall albums, but now I have them. So I got this pack of cute little fall flowers, and these are from Hobby Lobby. So I'm super excited about this package. I'm definitely going to be able to make the albums I wanted to for my mom and my mother-in-law. So I will actually, my parents moved recently, so they now live about 9 hours away from me if I drove. And my in-laws live about 5 hours away from me, and so we don't see them all that often. It's hard for all of them to travel. So my parents used to spend a lot of time with us during the fall season, go to like the apple orchard with us and pick pumpkins and do all kinds of fun fall things. And they're not going to be here to do that with us. So I'm going to still include my parents and my in-laws by making them a cute little album full of pictures of my family doing our family fun things, and make sure that they can still feel included in that. So I'll share that with you when I get to it. But this is the awesome fall box. I think I'm all set now for fall. I have so many fun items. So thank you so much for stopping by. And again, I will link Amber at Lyric Lover Crafts below. Check her out if you don't already. She has some great content. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.